Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Apple from tracking your app and website activity on your device. If you care about your privacy or just want to limit tracking, this is a quick setting you should know about. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your device. Then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Once you're in, scroll all the way down until you see App and Website Activity. Tap on it. Now you'll see an option to turn off app and website activity. Go ahead and tap that. You'll be asked to confirm, just tap Turn off app and website activity again. And that's it. From now on, your device will stop tracking your app usage and website activity. Just keep in mind, this will also disable features like screen time reports, app limits, and downtime, since they rely on that data. If you ever want to turn it back on, you can come back to the same section and re-enable it. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.